If you are constantly exhausted and your brain feels foggy, your cell membranes might literally be falling apart. We focus so much on what goes inside the cell, we forget about the wall that protects it. But the shocking part is that most people lack the exact nutrient needed to rebuild these walls, leaving cells exposed to toxins and unable to produce energy. By the end of this video, you will know the single nutrient that reverses this and exactly how to get it today. Most people treat fatigue by drinking more coffee. They take stimulants to force their mitochondria to work harder. But if the cell membrane is broken, the energy simply leaks out. Every single cell in your body is surrounded by a lipid bilayer, a flexible wall made of fat. The primary building block of this wall is a molecule called phosphatidylcholine, or PC. It acts like the mortar between bricks in a wall, keeping the membrane fluid and flexible. This fluidity is critical because it creates channels for nutrients to enter and waste to exit. At the same time, it keeps toxins and pathogens locked outside. But here is the part almost everyone gets wrong about modern diets. We have stopped eating the foods that contain this vital nutrient. Without enough phosphatidylcholine, the cell membrane becomes stiff, rigid, and brittle. The membrane becomes less permeable and these nutrient channels get stuck. Glucose cannot reach the mitochondria to create ATP energy, and the broken membrane allows oxidizing toxins to slip inside. The cell suffocates energetically and chronic fatigue sets in. Brain cells, which need the most energy, get hit first. Over weeks and months, this membrane degradation accelerates cellular aging. And this is where it gets powerful, because you can rebuild these membranes in just a few weeks. In cellular biology studies, researchers looked at patients with severe neurodegeneration and chronic fatigue. Their cell membranes were highly oxidized, rigid, and failing. Researchers gave them high doses of phosphatidylcholine daily. The phosphatidylcholine molecules circulate through the bloodstream and integrate into the damaged membrane. They swap out the oxidized, damaged fats for fresh, healthy phospholipids. Within a period of days to weeks, the membranes may begin to shift back toward fluid and flexible states. With a healthy membrane, nutrients flood back in and cellular energy production skyrocketed. Brain fog lifted, cognitive sharpness returned, and patients reported feeling awake for the first time in years. So here is exactly how to rebuild your cell membranes and repair your energy. Step 1 is to eat runny egg yolks. Egg yolks are the single richest whole food source of choline, the precursor to phosphatidylcholine. But here's the part most people get wrong. Heat destroys the choline structure. Eat eggs soft-boiled, over easy, or poached to preserve the choline intact. 2 to 3 raw or lightly cooked eggs daily will give you around 450 to 700 milligrams of choline. Step 2 is to consume organ meats, specifically beef liver. Beef liver is one of the most nutrient-dense foods humans can eat. It contains not just choline, but all the phospholipids and fat-soluble vitamins your nervous system needs. If fresh liver turns your stomach, a high-quality desiccated liver supplement provides the same compounds concentrated. 2 ounces of fresh liver or 1 to 2 capsules of desiccated liver 3 times per week covers your phospholipid needs. Step 3 is to supplement with sunflower lecithin if you do not eat eggs or organ meats regularly. Lecithin is a concentrated source of phosphatidylcholine extracted from sunflower seeds. Unlike chopped whole seeds, lecithin is already broken down and absorbed rapidly into the bloodstream. Studies show that supplemental lecithin reaches your cell membranes faster than food-based choline. 1 to 2 tablespoons of liquid sunflower lecithin daily, or 3 to 4 capsules, gives you 2,000 to 3,000 milligrams of PC daily. Step 4 is to eliminate heated seed oils from your diet entirely. When you heat seed oils to high temperatures, the polyunsaturated fats oxidize and break down. Your gut absorbs these broken fats and your body mistakes them for building materials. Your cells use these oxidized fats to rebuild the membrane, creating the rigidity that caused the problem in the first place. This creates a vicious cycle. Oxidized oils make rigid membranes. Rigid membranes cannot repair themselves efficiently, and energy continues to decline. Instead, use low-heat oils like extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, or coconut oil and cook at low temperatures. Now, in a second, I am going to show you a popular diet trend that is actively starving your brain of this nutrient. The trend is eating only egg whites and discarding the yolk. People discard the yolk to avoid cholesterol, believing it will harm their arteries, but this is backwards. The yolk holds 90% of the egg's choline, and cholesterol is not the villain in modern fatigue. In fact, your brain needs cholesterol to build myelin sheaths, the insulation around neurons. Eating only egg whites starves your brain of both choline and cholesterol, leaving your neurons poorly insulated and fatigued. Eat the whole egg every time. There is one more layer to this, and it is why your fatigue might be worse than you realize. Oxidative stress is when your cells accumulate free radicals, molecules with unpaired electrons that destroy healthy tissue. These free radicals come from stress, poor sleep, inflammation, and crucially, from the oxidized oils in your food. Free radicals attack the polyunsaturated fats in your cell membranes, creating more damage and more rigidity. This is the catch-22. Damaged membranes cannot produce enough AP energy to power the antioxidant defenses that would fix the damage. Phosphatidylcholine is one of the body's primary defenses against this cascade. It stabilizes the membrane against oxidative attack and helps rebuild the healthy lipid profile that powers your cells. Choline production declines naturally with age, making dietary sources increasingly important to maintain cell membrane health. After 40, the decline accelerates, and combined with modern oxidized food sources, your membranes rapidly deteriorate. The good news is that if you start supplementing now, cellular recovery can begin in as little as 10 to 14 days. Full membrane repair and energy restoration typically takes 4 to 8 weeks. Recovery timelines vary widely depending on your baseline health, but many people report shifts in brain fog, sleep quality, and energy levels over the first several weeks. If you get blood work done, your oxidative stress markers will drop, and your mitochondrial energy markers will improve. Eggs are unique because they contain choline in an emulsified form, meaning it is pre-processed and ready to use. Compared to taking choline salt powder, which requires more digestive work, whole eggs get into your bloodstream and into your membranes faster. If you weigh more than 200 pounds or have severe fatigue, you might need higher doses than average. In that case, eat 4 to 5 eggs daily plus 1 to 2 tablespoons of lecithin, and consider adding desiccated liver. Your personal need depends on your stress level, sleep quality, food history, and genetic factors affecting choline metabolism. The best approach is to start with a baseline protocol and monitor how you feel. If you still feel foggy after 3 weeks, increase the lecithin dose or add desiccated liver. If you have liver disease, kidney disease, or take blood thinners, consult your doctor before high-dose choline supplementation. Phosphatidylcholine works best when paired with adequate vitamin E and selenium, both of which protect membranes against oxidation. Brazil nuts, almonds, and leafy greens provide these protective nutrients, and you should eat them alongside your egg-based choline. Phosphatidylcholine also supports the blood-brain barrier, which repairs itself during sleep. If you are using PC to rebuild your membranes, prioritize 7 to 9 hours of sleep nightly or the repair will stall. Chronic stress burns through your choline stores by accelerating the degradation of acetylcholine in the brain. This is why stressed individuals need higher PC doses and why meditation or breathing work amplifies the benefits of supplementation. Chronic inflammation accelerates membrane damage by increasing oxidative stress. While you rebuild your membranes with phosphatidylcholine, reduce inflammatory seed oils and sugar to let the repair catch up. Your mitochondria themselves have membranes made of phospholipids, so PC also rebuilds the energy factories inside your cells. This means that rebuilding your membranes with PC actually multiplies the energy your mitochondria can produce. Here is your takeaway. Fatigue is not a caffeine deficiency. It is a membrane repair crisis that you can fix with one simple shift in what you eat. Start today. Eat 2 soft-boiled eggs for breakfast every single day. Add 1 tablespoon of sunflower lecithin to your smoothie or coffee. Eliminate all heated seed oils from your pantry this week. By week 3, track your energy levels and brain clarity. Because rebuilding your cell membranes is the single most powerful lever you have to restore the energy you felt at 2-5 top. In the next video, I am showing you the specific blood test markers that prove your membranes are actually healing. Subscribe so you do not miss it. Eat the yolks, take the lecithin, ditch the bad oils, rebuild your walls, restore your energy, and reclaim your mornings today. Your cells are waiting for the nutrient they need. Give it to them and watch what changes. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Remember, constant exhaustion is not your fault and it is not permanent. Your body knows exactly how to heal. You just need to give it the one nutrient it has been missing. This is general education, not medical advice. Phosphatidylcholine supplements may interact with blood thinners and other medications. Talk to your doctor before changing your supplement routine. Start your repair protocol tomorrow morning with 2 soft-boiled eggs. Do not wait for perfect conditions. Start messy and improve as you go. Let's go rebuild.